So guys, let's start making some nice roselets with avocado, mangoes and all these things. We have been doing these on sushi cakes. You would have seen a nice avocado in one of our sushis. So how to make nice roselets is just cut the avocado. Remember, it has to be literally nicely ripe. Just give it a nice cut. After that, we're just going to open the avocado and it's really nice and ripe. I'm just going to scoop out the flesh from inside. So be gentle, you don't want it to break at all. Just like this, remove the flesh. Now, because it's very nice, I believe I should be able to make a nice roselet out of this. I'm just slicing them thinly. Won't be using so much, just half, and just start sliding it upwards. So just start sliding it so that you get a nice line out of this in this manner. Just see everything gets separated perfectly, and here like this, if you're getting a nice line like this, start rolling it in this manner. You have to be really very creative, and I think so some of the people who are amazing with their creations can come out with more beautiful roselets and a lot of stuff. So this is just a style I'm showing you how it looks like, and you can make such nice rose petals with mangoes, with avocados, and you can literally place them over your sushis to make it look beautiful. So this is with the avocado. The same thing you are supposed to do with the mango. Just take it, slice it and try to make it like this. So this is the video how to make different types of designs, or with avocados, with mangoes, with whatever things you are using, and place them over the top of the sushi. So this is a real amazing roselet what I could get. Remember, before you place it over your sushi, keep them in the fridge so that they are really refrigerated well and it's easy to pick them.